Hey boys, welcome back to another video. We got some bad news this weekend. Looks like US-Iran talks has failed and Bitcoin is sharply going down right now. A little bit of a pullback, but I feel like this is just a weekend shakeout. I'm going to show you why. The reason why I'm keeping my Bitcoin and Solana long. I'm going to show you some levels as well. So get ready for the video. Make sure to watch this, leave a like and subscribe. Let's get into the charts. So this was the news that we got during this weekend. And I don't know what's going to happen at the open, but I feel like this is just a shakeout. Trump is saying though that any Iranian who fires at us or peaceful vessels will be blown to hell. That is not good for our coins, but Michael Saylor is buying again. This institutions are buying again. So whatever drama we got during the weekend, I feel like it's gonna be erased at the open or next week. So I feel like we're gonna get a pullback at the open. But then, you know, Trump is going to say something like, okay, now we're peace again. Market's going to rally again. So that's why I'm going to keep this open. This was actually already at 14x, this Bitcoin long, but it dropped like 8x. And now my Solana is also underwater. But the reason why I'm holding this, because Bitcoin is still at 70K. As long as we don't lose this level, as long as we don't lose this support right here, this, or even if we sweep the low, something like that, reclaim, we're still going to have a chance of breaking out tomorrow or this week. So I am going to keep my longs open. And even if we come down lower, we have a weekly open support here and previous week EQ. As long as we don't lose 69K, 68K to 67K, you know, we're safe. Bulls are still safe. I'm gonna keep my long open right here. And but I did move my stop loss to break even just to protect myself. And I've already taken profits on the week's long, right? So I am just going to chill. So let's look at the calendar for next week. We got system home sales. We got imports, PPI, GDP on China, and not much actually. So just PPI and existing home sales. Well, let's just hope that we get more volatility because of the tension that is back. And this, it did look like a rising wedge. So yeah, this was a valid short to be honest. And we had some resistance right here. But as long as we hold, look at this, there's like volume right here, as you can see that resistance flip into support. As long as we hold this, maybe sweep, bounce, I'm gonna keep my long open, okay? So yeah, not much to say. Institutions are gonna start buying again at the open. So I feel like this weekend is just a shakeout. People are gonna get sidelined once we break out all the way to 80K at this liquidity right here. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my longs open. All right, so that is it for today, boys. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. See you guys tomorrow. I'm going to update you, of course. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe.